Welcome to our tutorial about Polysolids. The Polysolid tool is on the Home tab, Modeling panel. Let's left-click it to activate. First thing to do is specify the start point. Now the next point. Right-click Arc, back to line, and so on. When we're done, right-click and enter to close the tool. Basically, this is a super tool for building walls and fences, etc. Let's activate the Polysolid tool again. Take a look at some of the additional options for creating a polysolid. Right-click Height. Let's enter 2 units. Enter to accept. And let's see how it works. Now we've got a wall that's 2 units high. Let's activate the command again. Right-click. The next option is width. Let's enter a value of 1 unit. Enter to accept. And let's create a wall. Right-click and enter to close the tool. Activate Polysolid again. Let's right-click and scroll to Justify. We can justify left, center, or right. Now I'm going to create some geometry using the Line tool. Let's just place a few lines, right-click and enter to close. Now let's activate the Polysolid command, right-click and scroll to Object. Let's select my new line. Since I've got individual lines here, the Polysolid was only applied along the first line, the only one I selected. Let's undo. Now activate the Edit Polyline command. Right-click, select Multiple. Let's window select our geometry. Press Enter to finish our selection. Now let's right-click and use the Join option. The fuzz distance will be 0. Press Enter to accept, and press Escape to exit the command. Now let's activate the Polysolid tool again. Right-click, scroll to Object. Select my polyline. And here is our wall. And this concludes our tutorial about the Polysolid command.